Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
How much money do you have?
I have $20.
Who do you want to talk to?
I want to talk to Alex.
What do you want to say to Alex?
I want to tell her something.
When will she come?
She will come in 10 minutes.
Are you afraid?
No, I am not afraid.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I am not allergic.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
How are you?
I am good.
Are you sick?
No, I am not sick.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
How far is it?
It is about 100 kilometers.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children.
How is she?
She is pretty.
How much are they earning?
They are earning $20.
How much does this cost?
This costs $30.
How much money do you make?
I make $5 per hour.
How does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
Are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot of things to do.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
How much money do you have?
I have no money.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old.
How tall are you?
I am 6 feet tall.
What does he do for work?
He is a doctor.
Where is the closest restaurant?
There is a restaurant over there.
Is this restaurant good?
I don't think it is good.
When are you leaving?
I am leaving tomorrow.
Where is an ATM?
The ATM is behind the bank.
Where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is near the supermarket.
Where are you from?
I am from London.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go shopping.
When do you get off work?
I get off work at 1 p.m.
Is it ready?
Yes, everything is ready.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay.
When will he be back?
He will be back in 10 minutes.
What time does it start?
It starts at 9 a.m.
Did you exercise today?
Yes, I had a workout session.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza.
Why are you late?
I had car trouble.
Have you ever volunteered for a cause?
Yes, I have volunteered before.
Are you a morning or evening walker?
I prefer evening walks.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep for 7 hours.
How much does your phone cost?
My phone cost $300.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
Are you good at solving puzzles?
Yes, I like solving puzzles.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play video games.
Why did you choose this career?
It aligns with my passion.
Did you attend any meetings today?
Yes, I had a few meetings.
How many countries have you visited?
I've visited 7 countries.
How much time do you spend on social media?
I spend an hour daily.
How many books have you read this month?
I've read 2 books.
What do you want for your birthday?
I want a new laptop.
Why did you move to this city?
For better job opportunities.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening relaxing.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 3 languages.
Why did you learn programming?
To pursue a tech career.
Are you going to the party?
Yes, I am going to the party.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
How many emails do you receive daily?
I receive around 60 emails.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and watch movies.
Why did you choose that color?
It's my favorite color.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
How many friends do you have?
I have 7 close friends.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Why did you start exercising?
For a healthier lifestyle.
How much time do you spend commuting?
I spend 40 minutes commuting.
How much do you tip at restaurants?
I tip 20%.
How much time do you spend cooking?
I spend 40 minutes cooking.
Why did you start a blog?
To share my experiences.
How many pets do you have?
I have 1 dog.
How many hours do you work per week?
I work 30 hours a week.
Are you a fan of spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy food.
Have you ever tried bungee jumping?
No, I haven't tried bungee jumping.
Why did you start gardening?
To connect with nature.
How much time do you spend on a hobby?
I spend 2 hours daily.
How much do you spend on groceries?
I spend $100 weekly.